Hello friends, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services. Then I speak to you this Monday afternoon and the markets are about to close for the trade. There is a little bit of red with which the Sensex and Nifty are trading with marginally in the red. Uh, Bank Nifty and other sectorial indices are also uh, shuttling between red and green, but absolutely flattish trade throughout the day. And just about at 3 o'clock on Monday afternoon, the Honorable Finance Minister has called out a press conference, and she is uh, giving out certain financial support to the needed sectors, especially the MSME and SME sectors. Along with that, uh, the need of the hour is the healthcare sector. Uh, so, my sense is that uh, by the time she completes her uh, eight policy changes that she mentioned is likely to be rolled out uh, on Monday, uh, there should be some kind of positive takeaways that the markets may react to once we are able to dissect what all has been done by the government and the finance minister in terms of supporting the economy. Having said that, coming back to the market, I think what we spoke last week was that consolidation, profit booking, and a range bound trade. And my sense is, friends, that this may get extended for some more time, but eventually our sense is that we will be able to take off 15,900 and eventually 16,000 on the Nifty spot, and then move beyond those levels to another higher trajectory and an elevated level. But before we do that, I think it is very important, and I have always maintained that profit booking consolidation after a new high has been made is the order of the market, and that is very much necessary, because to enable us to withstand the next up move, we have to have a very strong base and a foundation, and that is what exactly the markets are doing right now. So don't be surprised, friends. I think even if you see a little bit more red color on the screen, I think it's an opportunity to buy. And buying opportunity, like I discuss every time, this time my sense is that I must highlight one sector, which is gas, clean and green fuel, and exactly on the sectorial theme that I have highlighted is the futuristic outlook as well, because it's very important that we have a clean and green environment and the environment gets protected. And the more environment friendly fuels we used to power up our vehicles or any other source of equipment that we use, there'll be less footprints, carbon footprints that we'll be leaving behind. So I think gas is something that one should possibly keep focus on. Not to forget, government is also spending a great amount to build an infrastructure distribution pipeline. So you have names like Mahanagar Gas, Gujarat Gas. You have names like IGL, Gujarat State Petronet, that you should possibly be looking at. Other disclosure, standard disclosure, Judith has coverage on all these names, and I am quite positive on the verbatim that was shared by the management of various companies that came post the fourth quarter earnings and gave an outlook in terms of how the future looks for them in terms of growth opportunities. So these are the themes that you should possibly look at. On the commodity side, 76 plus dollar a barrel on Brent, 74 plus dollar a barrel on NYMEX. Uh, Reasons to worry by default, because we all are paying higher prices for per liter of diesel and petrol that we consume. And along with that, friends, we have a weaker rupee, 74.02 as I speak to you against the dollar, and that could possibly be something which may be, needling us for some time. But this market remains a buy on dips market, and I think the run rate in terms of people getting vaccinated is, encouragingly picking up speed. And I think if all goes well, then this should also, as this should also be viewed as a kind of a green shoot for the markets as well. Uh, I don't see any huge breakdown or breakout. I think a week or 10 days of consolidation between 15,500, 15,800, 900 could make a very strong zone of consolidation and base building exercise. And then, of course, eventually the higher levels that we will be definitely seeing in terms of market recovery. Take care, stay healthy, uh, go by the COVID appropriate behavior, and act like a responsible citizen. See you again next week. Bye bye.